It seems no job is safe from one day being outsourced to artificial intelligence. And in the criminal justice system, Judge Judy could become Judge 3000. According to the Daily Star, law firms are already using AI to perform background research. So why not eventually replace lawyers, judges, and jurors? Lawyer Tom Girardi tells Forbes it may even be considered legal malpractice not to use AI one day. While it may make for less exciting legal dramas in Hollywood, removing the human element does have its advantages. Unlike a random juror picked off the street, AI jurors would have a much broader legal understanding with unlimited knowledge of past precedents. And when it comes to swearing to tell nothing but the truth, according to the Daily Star, people appear more likely to be honest when talking to a machine. But while a robot lawyer would likely be cheaper than one made of flesh and blood, filing an appeal after a robot judge's decision would be a tough sell.
What's good, people? It's your boy Cali back with another video. So today I want to talk about the universal basic income plan. Now, for those who haven't heard about this, it's basically a set amount of money for every adult citizen to receive on a regular. Okay? I want to talk about the pros and the cons of this UBI plan. Now, I understand where they're trying to go with this. They're trying to put every adult citizen on a plan where they won't have to be poor per se, or it will help out smaller countries and smaller cities that are less fortunate. Now think about people around the world with great ideas. They don't have access to the financial system. Their ideas die off, not because they're not intelligent or don't have the drive. They just don't have the income. So basically this UBI will help every citizen be equal, so everybody's on a level playing field. Okay, they're basically saying that they want you to survive, and they're guaranteed give you some money for being a citizen, an adult citizen. And if you can't live off of this government assistance, you know, the universal basic income assistance, you can still get a part-time job to cover the rest of the income that you may need to survive. Or for those who can't survive off the means of the universal basic income, you'll be okay. You have nothing to worry about because they're going to be giving you money on the regular. But you see, there are downsides to this, such as inflation. Because if every adult citizen receives money on the regular for no reason, they're going to be buying from these stores and companies. These stores and companies are going to have to get the items back into inventory, creating a crazy demand because people have money to buy. So they will have to raise the price to keep up. The cost of living will go up. So if the cost of living will go up, wouldn't the money for the basic income, the universal basic income, have to increase? Because the whole point is to keep people from being poor or struggling. So you give people all this money, and then the system starts to fail because the more money you give people, the more inflation that will happen. Just a circle over and over and over and over again. Because if inflation keeps going up, you're gonna have to keep giving people more money. It would just never end. It also encourages less motivation. You wouldn't want to strive to be better in life. Not everybody, but a lot of people wouldn't want to strive in life to be the best version of themselves due to they're getting money on a regular and they can live and survive off of this or go get a part-time job. They'll keep you happy. The future is here, people. AI will take over the industry of workers. Do you feel what I'm saying? AI, artificial intelligence, will be working in warehouses, factories, and I'm just talking about fully automated warehouses with AI technology. There'll be no use for a human, but that's why they'll pay you this universal basic income. I showed you the McDonald's video being ran by AI. It's already happening, so it's time to buy some DogeGF to keep some power in your hands, make you some money so you won't have to rely on this universal basic income because a robot took your job. I'm not trying to scare people, I'm just keeping it real. It's gonna happen. It's only a matter of time of when, not if.
But what does that mean? Does that mean a typical restaurant in the future might have fewer human employees than it does now?
I think that is very possible. It's not a very fun job, right? It's hot, it's greasy, it's dirty, it hurts your wrist, right? So people come in and we train them, which is a significant expense. They work for a few weeks and then they leave. So the robotic systems make a perfectly consistent burger across all of our restaurants everywhere in the world.
If I threw anybody in behind a grill tomorrow, right, and asked them to start cooking, would you make a mistake? Would you accidentally forget to flip a burger? And so it's an assistant. This will get smarter and smarter over time. We're really just getting started with what this technology can do.
So this is
Here we go.
The robot-made burger. I've had a few burgers in my time, that's pretty good. Flippy is obviously pretty sophisticated and it does replace some of the monotonous tasks in a typical fast food kitchen. What it can't do yet, of course, is actually prepare the food and hand it over to a customer. But you've got to think it's surely only a matter of time.
A day will come where it will be odd to go into a restaurant where you don't have all the benefits of robotic systems, right? Where you're not, confident in the safety and security of the food because there's humans touching the food.
So prepare. Right now, crypto market is down, stock market is down. Do some research, people. Put your money where you feel like it's best suited. Figure out what it means to hold your investment and the possibilities it can have if you do hold for a certain amount of time. DogeGF is on the low. She may get lower, who knows? But you should grab some if you feel like you should. Not a financial advisor, but the future is coming. Humans will have no need in the workspace.
This afternoon I went to Fort Worth to check out McDonald's new test concept that's all about takeaway and drive-through. You can now order on the app, pull into a curbside pickup lane, go through the drive-through, or order ahead and go through the order ahead lane to be served by conveyor belt. When you pull up, they'll ask you for your code, and in no time your food arrives. I gotta say it worked pretty well, but of course I did unbuckle and reach over to grab my food. Now if you go inside, you'll see that it's like no other McDonald's you've been to before. There's one kiosk to order your food. Other than that, you can go up front and pick up there. There's bathrooms, but it's designed for you to go in and out.
Think about the automatic driving cars already. You will have no purpose to have your own vehicle to drive on the road anymore when they have cars that do it automatically. That will make you sit down and get driven by AI. It's happening. Smart houses, reading your emotions and heart rate, checking for diseases. It's all coming. I'm just trying to prepare the people. So don't fall for the trap. Grab some DogeGF and anything else you want and be free. Not just live to exist. They're gonna give people money to feel equal. It will also tell people to not work hard in life. If you already got what you want and you happy, why would you care? You're already happy. That's what they want. They want you to find your happy place and they want to be the reason for you to find your happy place. Don't fall for the trap. All you gotta do is pay attention, people, and y'all be okay. I got you. If I know something, I'll spread the message. If you watch the whole video, you can learn the message. If not, well. Anyway, people, if you feel like this video helped you out, share it with somebody else. I really appreciate it. It's your boy Kelly. Subscribe to your boy if you like it. And I'm up out of here. Peace.